Hey, how's it going? So as you can see here, I got one jumbo box of 2018 Bowman. Go ahead and rip into this right now. Hoping to pull something cool out of here. Finally got my hands on a box, so we'll see how this turns out. It's pretty nice this year with Ohtani, of course, but also there's some cool Dodgers that I could hopefully pull. Walker Buehler, DJ Peters, hoping to pull one of those guys. But yeah, let's see what comes out of it. This is a jumbo box. It is 32 cards per pack, 12 packs per box, 3 autos per box. So let's see what we get here. Wish me luck, if you wouldn't mind. Did pretty good with that last box, 2017 Bowman. I got the Acuna purple. Well beyond that I thought I ever would with a box Bowman. Definitely the best I've ever done. Don't try too much Bowman, but this year I had to give it a shot for sure. So here we go. Let's see what we got. Here's the pack. Look kind of nice and thick. Odds right here. Show you all the odds really quick. It's a little tight. Probably can't read it too well, but freeze frame that. Here we go. Get set up here. Alright, so we're starting it off with Greinke, McCann, Williams, Stevens, Frazier, Trouty, Carlos Stanton in New York. That's the first card I've seen of him in New York. I can't remember. Yankees, Olsen, Young, Cooper, Sang, Kershaw, Franco, Cano. Here we go to the inserts. Chrome, Tyler O'Neill, Dunning, Juan Soto, Dominic Smith, Rookie of the Year favorite. Got a talent pipeline there. Ryan Howard, Hinojosa, Shaw. Got Sinsel, Mercado, Humphreys, Chrome, Trevor Rogers, Mateo, Ace, Molina, Lang, Howard, Drew Ellis, Ramos, Soto, and Kyle Young. Start putting this stack over here. It gets large. About to break. Scope, Springer, Syndergaard, Renfroe, Zara, Correa, Vato, Rizzo, Goldschmidt, Albies, Galanduhar, Kevin Newman, Hilliard, Sam Travis. It's a cool looking card right there. Tristan McKenzie, like the design of that one. The Rookie of the Year favorites, Frazier, 2018, Kopech, Paredes, Dykeman, Trevino, Masis, Blake Rutherford, Fado, Taylor Clark. Cool. So far, nothing. No autos yet. It feels like it has one in it. Let's see. Castellanos, Fordo, Myers, Archer, DeMonico, Lindor, Moncada, Cahoon, Sims, Crawford, Dominic Smith, Machado, Miguel Cabrera, Knebel, Toussaint, Wei Ching Chang, AJ Puck, Cal Quantrill, Victor Robles, Dane Dunning to 4.99. Paper. Enlow, Welker, Marihan, DJ Peters, Chrome, cool, like that. Teles, Baez, Dell, Rogers, Jimenez, Will Smith. All right, let's go to pack number 4. Iglesias, Zuna, Verdugo, Blackman, Aaron Judge, Tommy Pham, Stevenson, Stroman, Swanson, Granite, Hoskins, Jake Kalish, Acevedo, Forrest Whitley, Alex Verdugo, Rookie of the Year favorites. Ooh, nice. Corbin Burns. Is this Atomic? I think that's what it's called. Nice looking fractor there. Number 69 of 100. It's a nice auto. Nice low numbered auto. Luis Garcia, Sardo, Molina, Rios. Okay. Go ahead and switch the stacks over here. This Bowman Chrome one's getting a bit big as well. About a third of a way through the box. Nice start there. Corbin Burns, Brewers. I think it's called Atomic. If I'm wrong, I'm sure you guys have already commented. Gary Sanchez, Posey, Odor, Tani. Only got a rookie of Otani. Kluber, Bryant, Walker Buehler, Reina, Bridwell. Wonder if he's related to the I think it's Hall of Famer Bridwell, or at least an old timer. Hayes, Perez, Berrios, Altair. So we got Brendan McKay, Luis Cajara. That's cool. Jaron Kendall from Bowman Sterling. Reprint, I guess. Oh, here we go. Jordan Hicks auto. This looks like a base. Got Amir Guerrero, Jay Hall, Delvin Perez, Rodriguez, Lauer, Knapp, Luis Robert, Craig, Torres, Josh Lowe. So we got 2 of the 3 here in the middle of the box. Looking for one more. Josh Bell, Iglesias, Ozuna, another Verdugo, Fried, Robles, Charlie Blackman. This kind of looks like that other pack. Aaron Judge, Tommy Pham. Seems very similar. Dansby Swanson, Zach Granite, Hunter Harvey, Baez, Brandon Crawford, numbered to 150. Taylor Trammell, Spencer Howard. Oh, that's a cool looking one. Forget what these are called. Shimmers, I think. Nice looking card there. Spencer Howard is number 82 of 125. Let's get some parallels. That's cool. Some low numbered parallels. Rutherford. There's a big dent in that Rutherford right there. Fado, Clark, DJ Peters. About halfway through the box. Dodgers on the back. Dennis Santana. Mejia. Banda, Garcia, Josh Donaldson, Crawford, Buxton, Bellinger. Cool card. Nolan Arenado, Felix Hernandez, Fowler, Scope, Springer, Kopech, Bo Bichette, Jesus Sanchez, purple, Brian Miller, getting a lot of color in this box. Number 136 of 250. We got another Brian Miller right behind it. Salvez, AJ Puck, Lange, Sam Howard, Drew Ellis, Brian Mata, Dennis Santana. All right. Strasburg, Broxton, Freeman, Devers, J.D. Davis, Rosario, Merrifield, Chris Davis, McCutcheon, Bryce Harper, Grinke, Voth, Herrera, another purple, Logan Allen, 250. Talent Pipeline, Senzel Trammell, and Blandino. Mickey Moniak, Bowman Sterling. Sam Hilliard, Jaron Kendall, Daniel Johnson, Lowe, Shed Long, Zeke, Travis Likens, Hall, Peach. All right, last four. Still looking for one more. Got Syndergaard, Hunter Renfroe, Zara, Correa, Vato, Anthony Rizzo, Goldschmidt, Albies, Cisco, Miguel Andujar, Pujols. A lot of big names in this first stack. Paredes, Bucascas, Jimenez, Bowman birthdays, Luke Weaver. It's a funny insert. Oh. Talent Pipeline, Velasquez, McKay, and Honeywell. Spencer Howard, Fernandez, Ramos, Soto, Kyle Young, Alonzo, Cruz, Stewart, Hazley, Jesus, Cody. Just a little bit more here. 3 more packs to go. McMahon, Williams, Stevens, Frazier, Trout, Giancarlo, Matt Olson, Paul DeYoung, Cooper, Kershaw, Franco, Cano, Josh Bell, Corbin Burns, Evan White, J.P. Crawford, Cunha, other birthdays, Michael Fulmer, 1993 or 9 behind there, it's hard to tell. 1993. Javier, Allard, Nelson, Fernando Tatis Jr., Abundel Isabel, cool. Carter K. Boom, Cozens, Tucker, Gordon, Montreal, Martin Berger. All right, last 2 packs. Evan Longoria, Strasburg, Broxton, Freeman, Mal, Vail Devers, J.D. Davis, Ahmed Rosario, Whit Merrifield, Chris Davis, Cutchin, Harper, Reed, Cornelius Randolph, Zach Little, Chance Cisco, Ferris, other birthdays, Max Kepler, Chatham, Prato, White, Solak, Soroka, Lavalley, Shed Long, Tatis Jr. One last pack. It's got to be in this one. If I'm missing a hit, I am certainly contacting Topps. But there should be one in here. So let's see. Reese Hoskins, Mejia, Banda, Garcia, Donaldson, Crawford, Buxton, Cody Bellinger, Arenado, Felix Mendez, Dustin Fowler, Flaherty, Conchara, Tyler Stevenson, Josh Ockamy, Adam Hazley. Bowman birthdays. What's this? Ooh, nice. Joey Wentz. Purple. It is numbered 28 of 250. Not a bad box. Got some nice color here. For sure. Jones, Anderson, Pardino, Knapp. Nice. I mean, there's a decent amount of color. Go through these hits really quick. Joey Wentz to 250. Logan Allen to 250. That's an auto of the Joey Wentz, of course. Brian Miller to 250. A lot of perp. Spencer Howard. Brandon Crawford. Jordan Hicks, base. Yeah, that's a good box for parallels. Corbin Burns. Nice. That is to 100, 69, 100. And Dane Dunning. So cool. Thanks for watching this one box break of 2018 Bowman Jumbo. Catch y'all later. Peace.